In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font type and size using Google Sites. This process is incredibly simple and a great way to customize your site to better reflect your style or brand. So grab your computer, open Google Sites, and let's get started. First, you'll need to highlight the text you want to modify. This step ensures that the exact portion of the content you wish to change is selected. Simply click and drag over the text with your mouse or trackpad until it's fully highlighted. This could be a single word, a phrase, or an entire paragraph. Highlighting is a universal method across many editing platforms, facilitating any changes you wish to make, such as adjusting font type and size. Once your text is selected, the next step is to interact with the current font. In the toolbar at the top of your Google Sites editor, you'll notice the font name currently in use. Clicking on this will open up a list of available fonts. Google Sites provides a variety of fonts for you to choose from, whether you're aiming for something classic and professional like Arial, or something more playful like Comic Sans. Just click on your desired font and watch as your highlighted text updates instantly to reflect that choice. Remember, consistency in font choice can help your site look more cohesive and organized. Now, if you want to alter the size of your text, you'll need to look next to the font name where a number is displayed. This number represents the current font size. Clicking on it will enable you to either select a new size from the drop-down list or manually enter your preferred size. Play around with different sizes until you find the perfect fit for your design. It's good practice to test readability at various sizes to ensure your audience will have a pleasant experience navigating your site. After these changes have been made, it's helpful to preview your site. You can do this by clicking the preview button, which will give you an idea of how the text will appear to your visitors. This is also an excellent time to make final tweaks and ensure the design aligns with your overall vision. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to hit the publish button to make your changes live. There's nothing more rewarding than seeing your beautifully customized content displayed online, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've mastered the art of changing font types and sizes on Google Sites. This skill not only aids in personalizing your site, but also plays an essential role in enhancing readability and overall design. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy editing.